For over a century, the rumble of the internal combustion engine has defined our roads. The familiar growl of gasoline and diesel engines has been the soundtrack of daily commutes, family road trips, and the very evolution of modern cities. These vehicles powered economies, shaped landscapes, and became symbols of freedom and progress. But now, a new sound, or rather, a quiet hum, is taking over. The streets are changing, and the vehicles gliding past are almost silent, hinting at a new era in transportation. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are everywhere, showing up in driveways, at charging stations, and weaving through city traffic on highways. What once seemed futuristic is now part of our everyday lives. This isn't a passing trend, it's the biggest shift in transportation since the Model T. The automotive industry is undergoing a transformation as profound as the one that put the world on wheels a century ago. Why now? It's a perfect storm. Battery technology has improved dramatically, making EVs more affordable and practical. Manufacturing costs are down, and people everywhere are demanding cleaner air and a more sustainable future for their families and communities. Gasoline cars are starting to look outdated, relics of a different age, while EVs offer a glimpse of what's possible. With their sleek designs, digital dashboards, and cutting-edge features, they're redefining what it means to drive. Batteries now let you drive farther for less, and charging is easier than ever. Fast charging networks are popping up everywhere, making long road trips and daily commutes more convenient and stress-free. People want cleaner cities and a better world for the next generation. The shift to electric is about more than just cars. It's about healthier air, quieter neighborhoods, and a planet that can thrive. And let's face it, these cars are cool. They're fast, packed with tech, and feel futuristic. From instant acceleration to smart features, EVs are changing what drivers expect from their vehicles. This isn't just about new models, it's a fundamental change in how we move. Public transit, ride shares, and even delivery vehicles are going electric, reshaping cities and the way we connect. It's about energy independence, innovation, and a cleaner planet. Renewable energy and electric vehicles are working together to create a future where transportation is powered by the sun and wind. The electric revolution is here, and it's transforming everything we know about driving. So buckle up because the journey ahead is full of possibilities. We're about to dive into what makes EVs tick and where this road is taking us. From the science behind the batteries to the innovation shaping tomorrow's vehicles, there's a lot to discover. The journey is just beginning. The road to an electric future is open and everyone is invited to join. Let's see what's under the hood of this electric dream and explore how this technology is set to change our world for generations to come. Let's talk about the thrill of driving an EV. Instant torque means instant acceleration, no waiting for the engine to rev. Even family EVs can outpace many sports cars off the line. The battery's low placement gives EVs a stable, planted feel in corners. The ride is smooth and quiet. No engine noise, just pure driving. Regenerative braking enables one-pedal driving lift off the accelerator and the car slows itself, recapturing energy. It's efficient, intuitive, and makes city driving a breeze. The EV experience is about more than saving the planet. It's about enjoying the drive. Performance, comfort, and innovation come standard. Once you try it, there's no going back. EVs are changing what it means to love cars. The future of fun on four wheels is electric, and it's here now. Where is all this heading? The electric car is the future, driven by policy and innovation. Governments worldwide are setting deadlines to end gas car sales and offering incentives to speed up adoption. Billions are being invested in charging infrastructure, making EVs accessible to everyone. On the tech side, breakthroughs like solid-state batteries, wireless charging, and vehicle-to-grid integration are on the horizon. Soon, your car could power your home or sell energy back to the grid. The car of the future will be smart, connected, and sustainable. It'll drive itself, entertain you, and fit seamlessly into a clean energy world. The shift to electric is one of the most exciting changes of our time. We're reinventing the automobile for a new century. The road ahead is electric, and the best is yet to come. Charging your car will soon mean running it on sunshine. More EVs mean more demand for clean energy, a virtuous cycle. Egypt aims for 40% renewable electricity by 2030. This isn't just about cars, it's an energy transformation. The synergy is real. Clean cars, clean power, cleaner planet. Egypt is building a sustainable system from the ground up. The green revolution is happening now. Let's address the elephant in the room, price. Despite tax breaks, EVs are still expensive, often much pricier than petrol cars. For most Egyptians, the upfront cost is a huge barrier. Saving on fuel doesn't help if you can't afford the car in the first place. Until prices drop, EVs remain for the wealthy and early adopters. The real revolution starts when teachers and small business owners can afford one. Battery tech is improving, and prices are slowly falling. Affordable Chinese models are helping, but we're not there yet. The price tag must shrink for mass adoption. That's the biggest obstacle left. The next hurdle? Lack of choice. In Europe or China, EV options are endless. In Egypt, not so much. For years, only luxury brands and Teslas were available. Most buyers want affordable family cars, but options were scarce. That's changing as Chinese brands flood in with more models at better prices. Competition is vital. It brings variety and pushes prices down. Still, many popular global EVs aren't officially sold here. Importing can be risky, with no warranty or support. For true market maturity, more brands must enter officially. The selection is growing, but it's not yet enough. More affordable models are desperately needed. So, what's next for Egypt as it stands on the edge of a new era in transportation and energy? Despite high prices and limited choice today, Egypt's electric future looks brighter than ever. The country is witnessing a growing curiosity about electric vehicles, with more families and young people eager to explore this cleaner, quieter way to travel. Government action, private investment, and public interest are all coming together to drive rapid change. New policies and incentives are encouraging both local and international companies to invest in the electric vehicle sector. The charging network is expanding across cities and highways, while the national grid is getting greener thanks to solar and wind projects. This means cleaner energy for everyone, not just EV owners. As battery prices fall and more affordable models arrive, barriers that once seemed insurmountable will crumble. Soon, electric cars will be within reach for more Egyptians, not just the wealthy. Local assembly and manufacturing will not only lower costs, but also create thousands of new jobs, supporting families and boosting the economy. With these developments, Egypt could soon become a regional automotive hub, exporting electric vehicles and technology to neighboring countries. Success here could inspire other nations across Africa and the Middle East to follow Egypt's lead, accelerating the shift to sustainable transport across the region. Egypt is proving that it's possible to leapfrog outdated technology and embrace a cleaner, more innovative future. The next generation is already on board, eager to drive change. The silent revolution on Egypt's roads could echo across the continent, setting a powerful example for others to follow. The petrol engine's days are numbered, as cleaner alternatives become more accessible and attractive. The journey won't be smooth for ease, and Bunsunan challenges remain, but the destination is clear: a cleaner, quieter, and more sustainable Egypt for generations to come. The V8's roar will fade into memory, replaced by the gentle electric whisper of progress. The electric car has arrived in Egypt, and it's here to stay, lighting the way for a new chapter in the nation's story.